Southern Rail Fan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Rail Fan, subscribe today.
How do Southern Rail fans? Got a special video today. We're probably going to try to catch a couple trains this afternoon, but we're heading to Bostic Yard. Why? Because we're delivering a little special package, that's why. We've been very, very lucky catching some of the best crews in railroading on CSX's Blue Ridge subdivision. And since I was a little bitty kid, I got such a thrill from catching a wave or a cool horn salute from the crews coming by on the trains back when me and my grandfather was watching trains in the late 60s and 70s. And it's kind of an odd relationship between rail fans and employees. We have fickle people on both sides. And sometimes for rail fans, it's hard to realize that we're exactly where we want to be, and they may be in the exact place they don't want to be. They'd much rather be home with their family or fishing or hunting or watching NASCAR or something besides doing work. So, you know, they could have just left a yard or a siding track where they've had to sit for a couple hours, or out switching in the heat and the sun and rain, snow, cold. You know, they go through a whole lot, and to take time to give us a wave, that's pretty special. So let's look at what we're going to do for them. Okie dokie, we made our delivery a little while ago, and the afternoon storm has seemed to have came and gone, so that's good. Now we're waiting on the northbound M692. He was a huge train when he come into Bostic, over 10,000 feet. But they had to cut him down to less than 7,000 or less than 8,000 so he could fit in Rocky to meet the huge southbound 693, which is over 10,000 feet. So we're going to catch those, and then sorry, I was listening to the scanner there. Oh, he's talking to the L248. So anyway, we'll catch those two, I'm pretty sure, and then hopefully we'll catch a southbound ethanol train. He left about 2 hours behind this M693, so hopefully we'll catch him too. Well, it's still bad looking back that way. We'll probably see a good lightning strike here too while we're watching this train go. They were talking about crew change. I don't know if that's going to be on that 693 or it might be on this 692. I'm not sure. I could have started recording about 2 days ago. Good Lord. There we go. is, a big old train. Now he came into Bostic after we dropped off the snack buckets down there. We wound up with 2 buckets and 2 boxes of stuff. We just had a ton of stuff, so I'm hoping those guys got a chance to get something. Now this southbound M693, from what I understand, is about 2,000 feet longer than that train going right there, so we want to make sure we try to get it today, so we'll do that. Okie dokie, we moved over here to the maintenance facility at Marion to catch this monster 693. Kind of running from a storm, just still a little boogery back down that way. And should be pretty close in behind him will be that B651 with the our good old Blazing Hazen at the controls of it. So we're going to hang around here and try to catch him too, and maybe even the NSP60. Wow. Over 10,000 feet. 4 units on a head end and a DPU. Alrighty, let's hang out here and see if we can catch that ethanol train. Alrighty, here comes our buddy, and he'll be going pretty slow because he's running on approach signals right on the tail of that huge 653. And almost perfect sunlight. There we go. Ooh, Canadian Pacific. We'll pick this back up in just a second. Well, I ran out of battery. I was not able to catch the rear end of that tank train. If I'm not mistaken, I think it might have had a CP or CN pusher. Hate to miss that. So anyway, I hope those guys enjoy that. And I hope that lets them know that we really enjoy them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.